What's up, everyone? Welcome to Rebikit Foods, a channel of easy recipe delicacies. And if you're new in this channel, please consider subscribing to Rebikit Foods. View my videos, like, share, subscribe. Remember also to switch on the notifications so that you can always be updated on new videos. For the returning subscribers, returning viewers, I salute you so much. Thank you for your support. And please now just browse the membership pack so that you can be a member. And if you're amazed by my videos, please throw your super packs. Otherwise, thank you so much. So guys, today I'm back with salad. I've done several salads here. I've done coleslaw, I've done KFC coleslaw, I've done green salad. Now today I'm going to do creamy macaroni salad. So sweet, so enjoyable, guys. So keep tuned, watch this video until the end. So guys, all these ingredients, you are going to use them for making this salad. So here I have grated carrots, I have just 2 boiled eggs, I have green peppers, I have celery, I have red peppers, and here I have my 2 packets of macaroni, and this icing sugar, I have vinegar, oil, and for the spices I have paprika, ginger, onion powder, garlic powder, and what is going to make it creamy is now the mayonnaise and the mustard. So guys, keep tuned, watch this video until the end. So guys, all these ingredients, you are going to use them for making this salad. So here I have grated carrots, I have just 2 boiled eggs, I have green peppers, I have celery, I have red peppers, and here I have my 2 packets of macaroni, and this icing sugar, I have vinegar, oil, and for the spices I have paprika, ginger, onion powder, garlic powder, and what is going to make it creamy is now the mayonnaise and the mustard. So guys, keep tuned. These are my macaroni. I've just boiled them, and now I'm just going to add them in here. Is to let it cool down so that it can be cold. I've just used water to wash them in water so that they don't get attached. So this is this. So for me to make this salad, this is what I'm going to do. So keep tuned. Guys, I'll use this oil, though I'm supposed to be using salad oil, and that's why I'm putting oil while it's still hot, because this is vegetable oil. I'm supposed to use salad oil. So this one is okay. It will cook in here. So after this, I'll add my onions. And mix everything well. Sure you mix up everything. Then I'm going to add this green pepper and celery first. Then I'll give it a good mix as well. So after this, I will add in my grated carrots to it. Give it a good mix as well. Guys, remember we are making creamy macaroni salad. Ooh, already it has a very nice aroma. Then after this, we are going to have 1 cup of granulated sugar. Then give it a mix. So after this, we are going to add mayonnaise. So this is the mayonnaise. Next, mustard. Next, vinegar. So it's always advisable to use white vinegar. Now mix up everything well. So remember guys, we said it's creamy and it's gonna be creamy. You can see, and I wish you were here to get the aroma. It's smelling so nice. We can add the red bell peppers now. Mix it well. So every time we have to mix so that everything gets in well. If you put them all at once, your salad might not come out well because it will not be well spread. Now at this point now, this is where now we are going to add the spices. So we are going to use the powdered spices. Like now, here I have garlic powder, ginger powder, paprika, and lastly onion powder. So keep tuned guys. So mix all these spices well. So guys, if you look at this creamy salad, almost all the nutrients are here, starting from starch. We have the vegetables here. We have almost everything here. It's a very healthy and creamy. So the last thing now here that you should do is eggs, which is also not a must, but it makes it more tastier. Then now mix well. Please guys, please give my video a thumbs up, give it a like, comment down there and tell me what you feel about this, and please share it out, try it out as well. So guys, this is my creamy macaroni salad. So let me just serve it. So you can see how it is. So let me just have a taste. That's so nice, so tasty, so tasty. Please try out this video.